Hello, Kamato Class! Welcome back sa isa na namang pagtuklas ng aralin sa mathematics. And we are in the fourth Algebra challenge. And the challenge is, if A, B, C, and D are four consecutive even integers, and A is less than B, B is less than C is less than D, then quantity A minus B times the quantity A minus C times the quantity B minus C times the quantity C minus D is equal to what? And let us see the solution in this fourth algebra challenge. So based from this expression, we are going to apply the multiplication. So we multiply A times B times A minus C times B minus C times C minus D. So the first thing that we need to work on is to represent our variable A, B, C, and D, since there is a representation regarding the value of them. So A less than B, B less than C, C less than D. So let us see. Let us just consider that A will be the first even integers. So A, the first of the consecutive even integers. B, the second of the even integers. Since we are talking of even integers, we are going to represent the next integers as A plus B. Again, this is the first integers, which is A plus 2. That will be the second even integers. And C will be our third integer. Therefore, it will be represented by A plus 4. So if the second is A plus 2, then the third will be A plus 4. And the fourth, even integers is D, so it will be represented by A plus 6. So even, that's why we have this plus 2 plus 4 plus 6. And D is the fourth of the even integers. Then after that, we need to perform our operation. So solve quantity A minus B times the quantity A minus C times the quantity B minus C times the quantity C minus D by substitution. So we'll be applying the representation value to solve this given expression. Okay, so let's start solving this algebra challenge number 4. Again, these are the representation of our integers. There is no representation given to A since A is our first even integers. So the steps that we need to work on is by substitution. So we started with A minus B. We copy A and it will be represented by this. Then B, we are going to substitute the representation of B, which is A plus 2. So we are going to put that here. And that will be the result. Then we are going to copy this A and substitute the representation of C. And this is the representation of C, which is A plus 4. So we are going to substitute that C here. So what happened is this. Then we are going to substitute the value of B here and C here. And again, the representation of B is A plus 2. Therefore, this side will be A plus 2. On the other hand, we are going to substitute the representation of C here. And C, as represented a while ago, is A plus 4. Therefore, this becomes A plus 4. Then, what comes next is to substitute the representation of C and D here. C will be here and D will be here. As represented a while ago, C is equal to A plus 4. Therefore, here, this become A plus 4. And D, as represented, is A plus 6. Here, this become A plus 6. After substitution, this time around, we are going to simplify each of these expression. This expression, this one, then the other one that we work on with substituting using this a while ago. So let's begin with this part. Okay, what happened when we simplify this is a minus 2. We copy this a, then we distribute negative here, times a, negative times positive 2 is negative 2. Then on this part, a minus the quantity a plus 4 will become a minus 4. We copy this a, then again distribute negative, times a is negative a, and negative times positive 4 is negative 4. On this part, quantity a plus 2 minus quantity a plus 4, this become a plus 2 minus a minus 4. We copy a here, then we copy a plus 2. Negative, distribute to a, negative times a is negative a, and negative times positive 4 is negative 4. On this part, we have this as a result. A plus 4 minus a minus 6. We copy this a and this plus 4. Negative distributed to a. Negative times a is negative a. And negative times positive 6 is negative 6. Then afterwards, we are going to simplify this part. A minus a is 0. Therefore, this becomes negative 2. Same way with this side. A minus a is 0. Then this becomes negative 4. On this side, this a and this a will be 0. Therefore, this becomes 2 minus 4. We have that. And this side, we have a minus a here. That is 0. Therefore, we have 4 minus 6. Then we copy negative 2, negative 4, 2 minus 4. Again, we copy negative 4. 2 minus 4 is negative 2. Then 4 minus 6 is negative 2. Then multiply negative 2 times negative 4 is positive 8. And positive 8 times negative 2 is negative 16. And negative 16 times negative 2 is positive 32. Therefore, quantity a minus b times the quantity a minus c times the quantity b minus c times the quantity c minus d is equal to 32. I hope we learned come out to class with our new algebra challenge. God bless us.